Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair saw a minor dip of 0.1% in the last session. The RSI's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted 1.6% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The gold dipped a slight 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market. The oil-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic RSI's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
Gold prices extended a push below the key $1,800 level as the dollar climbed in a week that has helped solidify opinions among investors that the Federal Reserve is readying for an interest rate hike in March. British stocks weakened as investors locked in gains in bank shares, while the prospect of more policy tightening saw the domestically exposed mid-cap index mark its weakest month in nearly 2 years. The U.S. Fed's expected interest rate hikes could put downward pressure on the yen by widening the interest rate differentials between the U.S. and Japan, a senior International Monetary Fund official said.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The Dutch retail sales will be released at 0530 GMT. Japan's jobs applicants ratio at 2330 GMT. The U.S. Chicago Purchasing Managers Index at 1445 GMT. The U.S. Dallas Fed Manufacturing Business Index will be released at 1530 GMT. Australia's AIG Performance of Manufacturing Index at 2130 GMT. Japan's unemployment rate at 2330 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.